All right, here's a nice question. I've got to shrink this, but I've got some problems in that I have an expression out front that's being multiplied, but I know that I can take that and make it a fractional exponent, or use the power rule and put it back up here. It's putting it back up there sort of gives an issue because you have to raise everything here to the 3/2. So it'd be ln of 4w to the 6th all to the 3/2 minus ln of 2m to the 5th all to the 4/5. Okay, so then if I apply that 3/2 to the 4 and to the w's, it'll be ln of, okay, let me figure that out. It'd be 4 to the 3/2 and w to the 6th to the 3/2. So 4 to the 3/2, I think that's 8. Let me just think here. So it would mean the square root of 4 cubed. So the square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. Yeah, so that'd be 8. And then the w, okay, 6 over 1. 6 times 3 is 18, divided by 2 is 9. So it'd be w to the 9th. Minus ln of 2 to the 4/5. Oh, I should do that up here. Minus ln of 2 to the 4/5, and m to the 5th to the 4/5. So it'd be ln of 2 to the 4/5, m to the 20 over 5 would be 4. Here we go. Okay, so now I can squish it using the quotient rule. Whoops. So it'll be ln of 8w to the 9th all over 2 to the 4/5, m to the 4th. Okay, I'm feeling okay there, except this 8 bothers me a little bit in that 8 I can express as 2 cubed, so I could maybe simplify that a bit more. So ln of 2 cubed w to the 9 over 2 to the 4/5, m to the 4th. I can't do anything with the w's or the m's because they're not the same base. But these I can. They're common bases, so I can subtract their exponents. So it'd be ln of 2 to the 3 minus 4/5, and then w 9th over m to the 4th. And now I just have to figure that out. So 3 minus 4/5. So 3 is 15/5, so it'd be 11/5. 2 to the 11/5, w9 over m4. That's what I'm calling. Let's see if they even have that as an answer. Oh, I didn't put the answer there. Anyway, that's what I would call the answer. So they asked to express as a single logarithm. That's one logarithm, and I think I have everything simplified. You could rewrite that as like the 5th root of 2 to the 11th. Well, maybe I could simplify that. I'd probably just leave it like that. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that one.